welcome back to my channel.
I'm your favorite, Sanika Diwari.
And in today's video, I'm gonna ask some of my friends to roast me. I saw Sakshi Shetty doing this video and I really thought it was very fun. Why not to try it out with my friends? Basically, they roast me on daily basis, but this time they just had to, send me a text or video of them roasting me. So I hope I don't cry because I'm a very emotional. My EQ is very high. Let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna go with the text.
Many of them weren't very comfortable with their faces being, or they were very camera shy, so they sent me text.
So the first one is Sakshi. The first one is Archit, not Meher obviously. He's my senior. He starts by saying, you'll need help, basunats vats.
Basunats vats.
So basunats vats the Archit. Hi. Okay, he has a lot of points. It's like a long answer. Sanika is so sociopath that if she visits a friend, he or she has a cat or dog or a brandy ka bottle, and she can't even call her parents to help if she sees a chipkali walk by. Reference OP. What? I didn't get it.
Like, I'm not trying to be mean. Like, are you dumb?
I think she's dumb.
I like cats and dogs, and I'm not scared of chipkali. That reel, I was just, representing people who are scared of chipkalis. I'm not scared of chipkalis. And what if, ironically, अभी यहाँ से आ जाता है तो मेरी Sanika is so single that every alternate photo of her is the sun kissing her. Okay. ये बहुत candid reaction है because मैं पहली बार पढ़ रही हूँ ये सब. So I like sun-kissed photos, guys. It's not my fault. Okay. The next is Sanika is so single that she uses the bro code to bring किराण्याचा सामान. How I Met Your Mother. The fourth one is her life is so deficient of adventure that she bringing Maggie from her friend at 4 o'clock morning without her parents objecting the act is an adventure life. Guys, it was an adventure, okay? He is attacking me, Jannat and Riya. We have never sneaked out of our houses because we never needed to. Like, our parents always allowed us to, do whatever whatever we wanted. But we are 16, come on, and that was an adventure for us. If you have not watched the IGTV, go and watch the IGTV. I'll link it down in the description. The next is, she's so misled in her life that she idolizes the laughing, Kanojia beat. I like her, she's very funny, like she effortlessly is funny. Many people try so hard to be funny but they cannot be. But Seema Kanojia, go check her Instagram, hilarious. This please, sarcasm tha guys. But
Hi friend look.
yeah, I like her, like मजा आता है देखने में. Don't waste my time. If you want to get roasted properly, ask your relatives what they honestly think about you. Very unpopular opinion. मेरा image मेरे relatives में काफ़ी अच्छा है. Some of them must be watching this also, like because of my parents maybe या फिर ऐसा. But I've been a good kid and I brought a good percentage, like 95%, 96% in 10th. So I think they are happy with their life and with me doing whatever I want. No, they are not gonna roast me because. Okay, moving on to the next one. You are so out of content कि you want me to roast you. Wait, तू कहीं upcoming Avish Mathew तो नहीं. I like Avish Mathew as a comedian, so also it watches show Avish, son of Avish. Oh my god, मैं free का sponsorship मतलब promotion कर रही हूँ, but I like him, so yeah. She's so busy in relating things that she thinks Einstein's theory of relativity is an Instagram reel. I hope you're hearing me. Like, हाँ guys, मतलब if I make reels, so what? And I like making relatable content because that's the best form of entertainment for me, and that's why I like creating it. The last one is giving an advice to Sanika is like giving CPR to a dead man. घंटा कुछ होने वाला है. नहीं. He gives me advices like Sanika, meditate. If you know me as a person, meditation is not what I'm meant for. I do try, but मैं बहुत ही enthusiastic हूँ. But yeah, I'll try one day and I hope it gives me sanity. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, thank you Archit for your roast. It was quite nice. मतलब relevant था और I liked it. So thanks. I'm not crying, so it's good. I'm crying internally. I'm laughing. Play that song, Sanika. So the next one is Sanika Gire, and she's my best friend since like 13 years. And I think वो बहुत अच्छी है. मतलब उसको ऐसा रोस्ट इतना पता नहीं है, तो वो ज़्यादा मतलब इतना brutal नहीं होगा. But let's see what she has to say.
Okay.
It's very short.
That's what she said.
I'm glad to see you're not letting your education get in the way of your ignorance.
What the? What?
Oh, mirrors cannot talk. Lucky for you, they can't laugh either.
Oh, please.
Oh, please.
They adore me. I hope. I think you're not gonna wake up from your sleep unless I wake you up. That's very true. The only two people who can wake me up like Sachi wala is Gire and my mom. So yeah. Thanks for the rose, Sanika. Love you. So the next person gonna roast me is Mukta. Mukta is my friend from Singhania. I know her for like quite a year now, and she's such a sweet person, sweetest one. And she has sent me a video. Now we are getting into the videos part. So let's hope. I'm just hoping कि कोई ज़्यादा ही सच ना बोले. But ठीक है. So I'm playing the video now.
Hello, so I cannot roast you ऐसे video पे, so I decided to do something that I can do, and that is being lame. So I have created.
We are lame together, Mukta. That's totally cool. That's why we are so good friends, I think. Lame squad. कुछ तो नाम रखते हैं ऐसा जो सब लोग lame हैं.
Okay.
So I have created a few memes for you to roast you.
Memes, yes.
Memes, yes.
Not to roast you, but some memes about you. So yes, let me know how they were.
Expectation. Do we have any submission tomorrow for reality? Do bitches This is so me. So if you know me, I am a typo queen and I make typos very often. Moreover, ऐसे कुछ submission का रहेगा तो मैं और nervous हो जाती हूँ तो. Okay, this is funny. Yes, I make typos. Stand up for all the typo kings and queens. Yes, I am the head of the community. I am the CEO of the company if there's any company one day. Typo queen. Put a crown on my head. Sanika overwhelmed. OMG man, I loved your reels. You're so creative, big fan, lots of love. Shadi karoge mujhse? Like some fan texting me. Sanika realizing that the person is exactly the person like, oh तुम्हारे गाने ने मुझे रुला दिया तो follow करो ना. Why you not following me, bro? Like if I'm giving you, I'm expressing myself and making you so happy or making you feel things, follow me. Please follow my Instagram account. It's Sanika_Devare @Sanika_Devare. I would love if you follow me and like my share, like my reel. The next is people asking Sanika to give credits. ले Sanika, पहले तू दे. हाँ ना, like नहीं मैं तो दे देती हूँ credits सबको because if you are an artist, you know how important credit is. वो creator, okay, this joke का patent goes to Riyansh Kadam. वो जो लड़की थी, like I'm not gonna take her name, but वो creator नहीं, वो recreator है. Like she just recreates other people's stuff. So she's a recreator, guys. Respect that, but I give credits to people. But yeah, people should give credits to the one who they are due to. Stray dogs and cats, Sanika, their friends. This is so true. I like my friends, I love them, but dogs and cats are like forever my first love. Period.
When teacher asks Sanki a question in class of whichever knows, rare case, but somehow okay, yes. Exactly. See, very rarely I know any answer, or mostly if you're a humanities student, तुमको ना ऐसा बहुत practically based questions पूछते हैं, like based on your experience or your opinions, and I'm very excited to put them forward. You know, that's the reason I took arts or humanities. But then that one person comes and he's like, I will say okay, and then
I will say okay, and then
the whole conversation gets diverted towards another topic which I know nothing of. And then I'm just sad that my opinion has not been told to people of 40, like a class of 40 people. It just makes me sad. Because I personally blah blah blah.
So I am on your YouTube, so I hope that I have embarrassed myself and you less. So let me know how they were. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Mukta, for sending in the video and the memes. They were funny, not gonna lie. And if they were lame as always funny to me. I
Lame as always, funny to me. I
don't know why. क्या बोल रही है? But yeah. So thanks, Mukta. I love you too. And yes, you're on my YouTube. And yes, you have embarrassed us both enough. But that's what I've basically done for the past 3 videos. So I'm continuing the legacy, if you put it like that. And thanks for sending in the video and the memes. Love you. See, I'm not the bravest person on earth. Maybe I'm not the adventurous one. But yes, to open this video and this link, I have to be. Because it's a video from Samarth. And if you know Samarth, and if you know me, and if you know us both being friends, you know why I'm scared. He roasts and he does it very good. So that means I'm dead. Okay, बहुत exaggeration हो गया. I'm going to play the video that he has sent me. So yeah, it's Samarth. He's dressed up. I'm scared.
Hello guys, welcome to the roast of Sanika. Sanika, Kalyan's strain of the mostly sane unfunny virus. Mostly sane, rarely funny. I was off social media for a week. Majorly because I needed break from Sanika's views.
No!
Please stop.
No, please, no. I'm funny.
Sanika.
हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
Sanika has no siblings. She is the only child, which I get. Uncle and auntie realized their mistake. कोई ना uncle auntie, इंसान गलती से ही होते. Sorry. गलती इंसानों से ही होती. Giving Sanika an iPhone with an internet connection was the second biggest mistake of her parents. Giving her birth still tops the list. Although Sanika's videos are unfunny and cringe, but at least her thumbnails are good. Wait, aren't those made by her? 2020 was a tough year. No, I'm not talking about coronavirus. Sanika started her content creation journey.
I think I started in 2021. I started in 2021. Yes.
Well, we all can agree 2021 was tougher. Because now she has started doing YouTube. Sanika has recently started YouTube. She is making YouTube videos now. Up tak she has ruined 2 of my favorite platforms. Her first video was asking her friends to give her tests that she would complete and record. I dared her to make funny content. I'm still waiting, Sanika. As you all know, my friend Sanika.
No,
is
I'm not an
influencer.
influencer.
She has successfully influenced 1.5k people into believing that her content is funny. Recently, Sanika has been very consistent with her reels. Consistently unfunny and cringe.
I am God.
So yeah, very much effort has been put into making this video. Thank you so much, Samarth. Knowing Samarth, he would not have done it for anyone else but me because yeah, I'm his best friend or friend. Yeah. So thank you so much, Samarth, for doing making a roast. Most of them were काफी logical. Thank you so much. I didn't cry. I enjoyed it rather. You know I like attention. Don't hate, just love. Thank you, Samarth. I love you to the moon and back because you like the moon. Okay, bye. So the next one is from Jannat. Jannat is also a very kind person, one of the most humble person I know in my life, and she's one of the most sweetest friend I have. But roast है, कोई कुछ भी कर सकता है. So let's see. Dressed up है यार सब लोग, कितने efforts.
Since Sanika isn't the one speaking today, for once you'll get to see something funny on this channel. If you think that you aren't capable of roasting somebody, then just watch Sanika's content and it'll come to you naturally. Sanika is the most annoying attention seeker person you'll meet. In fact, this roast is the new way that she has come up with to get attention.
Of course, Jannat knows me. भाई जन्नत कभी मुंह पे नहीं बोलती, बट उसके अंदर का सच्चाई बाहर आ रहा है. I'm crying internally, Jannat. Let's go. But yeah, this is giving me attention.
Earlier, I used to cringe over Sanika's TikToks, reels, and stuff. You might be thinking she's improved, but no, I'm just used to it. If Sanika were to spend a day on the beach, her tongue would be sunburned.
I'm regretting. Jannat is also a very kind person.
Best part about a Sanika Dewari video is the end. I just hope you don't meet her in real life. Because in real life, there's no end.
There is no end anywhere. It's not ending any soon. But yeah, it is ending now, like the video. We have come to an end. Like, there is an end to the video, but not to me annoying you for the rest of your life. And Jannat, I love you too for sending it in and thinking about me, because that means a lot. And with that, we come to the end of the video. And thanks for watching. And if you like the video, please like and comment. And if you loved the video, please share and subscribe. Bye.